Welcome, I'm John Georgopoulos, Vice President of Enterprise Mobility at Matrix42. We're Europe's largest and most innovative workspace management vendor. Our solution makes life easy for people that deliver, manage and use corporate IT. We place the user at the center and provide a 360-degree solution that solves the business challenges and not just a technical problem. As corporate users are becoming more and more mobile, that starts by redefining enterprise mobility management with Silverback by Matrix42. Look, mobile is without doubt a disruptive technology, but when it's used to empower users rather than constrain them, it can completely transform a business. Let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. We're working with a large institution today to help transform the desktop environment through mobile. They're using an office relocation project to replace their desktop phones with mobile devices for all their staff. The business need was clear. They needed their users to be more agile and their customers expected to be able to contact them any place at any time. And they're deploying an inbuilt mobile app to be able to address that need. And we're supplying the simplicity, security and scalability required to make that project successful. Mobile has brought with it not just technical challenges, things like multiple operating systems, multiple device form factors, secure network access considerations, user privacy, data leakage management concerns. But more profoundly than that, it's brought with it cultural and organizational change as well within the organization. As our business and our personal lives continue to blur, we've moved from being a user of corporate IT to a mobile consumer. And with that, IT organizations need to be able to be as fast, responsive, agile, and as simple as what I can experience in my personal life. If IT departments don't do that, then users and even entire departments will circumvent the IT department and go around them. The consequences of shadow IT are significant. It means data loss control, because effectively what is unknown is unmanaged. It means an unquantifiable license compliance and cost concern. It means a shifting of budget from the IT department to the business unit. And ultimately, it can mean irrelevance for the IT department. Look, finding that balance starts and finishes with understanding your customer. And your customer is both the end user and the IT manager. User acceptance and adoption of corporate IT policy is by far the best indicator when a company has the balance right between security and productivity. Simplicity is key to this. Things like a seamless onboarding experience for the end user, maintaining the native OS experience that they want on their device of choice, being able to provide a transparent, secure connectivity mechanism back to the environment through things like PKI integration and client certificate authentication. These are some of the proof points that companies have got it right. That is a common challenge for many organizations who have started down the mobility path. And the feedback we get from CEOs and CIOs is fairly consistent. The challenges are end-user resistance to accepting corporate IT policy and mandate, unanticipated costs associated with having to deploy proprietary technologies into their environment, rather than leveraging the investments they've already made in their network perimeter technologies, unexpected support costs through difficult and cumbersome onboarding processes for the end user, which typically requires multiple visits to the help desk, unanticipated licensing costs and concerns around who has access to what technology. The end result being that mobile has become a point solution rather than a way to be able to enable and transform a business. Scalability needs to address both scalability for the end user as well as scalability from an IT infrastructure perspective. Scalability for infrastructure means not introducing single points of failure and bottlenecks by introducing unnecessary proprietary proxy technologies. Scalability for infrastructure also means using standard-based technologies to give you flexible deployment options, whether it be a SaaS option to give you speed, delivery and agility, or a simple on-premise solution for your organization. Scalability for the end user means a self-service portal. It means having a clientless enrollment process. It means having same-day support and maintaining the native OS experience. It means zero touch for the IT department. And that's how a mobility initiative can penetrate enterprise-wide.